Next up, we're looking for the law of sines to solve for angle B. Just making sure that this is a good law of sines candidate. We have an opposite angle A and side A, and for angle B we know some of that information. So the one thing we have to be really careful of with law of sines is that sine gives you repeated values for certain acute and obtuse angles. And as we're looking at these problems, I'm going to try to avoid giving you ones that cause this to happen. One of the things that we can check to give ourselves a pretty good idea of what's going on is a comparison of the sides and the angles. Since 80 degrees is across from an 11 unit side and angle B is across from a smaller side, that tells us that angle B must be less than 80 degrees. So if we get an angle that's less than 80 degrees, we're probably in good shape. Now that I've kind of set that up, let's talk about sine of 80 degrees. Divide by 11, and that's equal to sine of B divided by 9. I'm going to multiply the 9 to the opposite side to get rid of it. And when I do that multiplication, so 9 times this sine of 80, and then we're going to divide by 11, we get 0.8057 or 58, depending on if you round or truncate. And now to get our angle, we're going to use inverse sine or arc sine. That's going to spit out our angle for us, so 0.8058, and that's equal to angle B. When I do that, we end up getting 53.68. And just to check, 53.68 is indeed less than 80 degrees, so we are in okay shape.